I'm an honest guy, okay? I eat KFC. I get the shits. I've had this love affair. I'm like, I want the KFC, but I'll shit. So I gotta plan my day around it. I gotta wear bad underwear. I'm like, well, if I eat the KFC at like 6 o'clock, I can have like at least 3 hours before bed to shit it all out. This is not a healthy way of thinking. I realize now that I probably should not eat things that make me physically ill simply because they taste good. And I know you're thinking the same thing. Cash, I love the crazy fried chicken, but holy shit, I blow my toilet apart every goddamn time I eat it. Today, I'm going to show you how to make bomb diggity ass chicken with common household ingredients, and you can do it all by yourself. And if you're like, well, I'm a vegetarian, could I possibly do this with... Get out of here, fuck boy. No, I'm just kidding. This is clearly not a video for you. You could probably tell that by the title. When I heard the news today, I didn't know what to say as I drove past that old dirt road made of sticks and stones and shit. So, to start off here, you're gonna need some sliced chicken breast. Honestly, dude, if you're at the store, get the fucking skinless, boneless. You're gonna save fucking 20 cents by getting the shit on the bone that's horrible. Just don't fucking... Oh my god. I'm gonna murder myself. I don't think the fucking universe wants me to film this video today. Just get the boneless, skinless, chop it up into little bits. Like, that's a good size right there. Next up, the coating. You're like, well, KFC's got this fucking crispy ass coating that, it's got like 10% laxatives in there and it makes me poop and it tastes real good. All you need is a little bit of flour. But Cash, flour doesn't taste good. I want the chicken to taste good. I know. Simple ingredients. A little bit of onion salt. This requires very precise kitchen measurements. Garlic powder. Garlic salt. A little bit of classic pepper. And just a little bit of regular table salt. Alright, so close your bag up, and then you just kind of want to mix all these ingredients in there with the flour. Beautiful. You take your fucking chicken, slapper it on there. Oh, by the way, clean and wash your chicken first. You don't want any of that, Ebola going into your fried chicken. And then just kind of get that chicken nice and covered. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you like that, you dirty bitch. Alright, now we got the chicken ready to go. We're gonna need a heat source. It is not recommended to fry chicken this close to your fucking face, but I'm gonna do it because I love you, son. Butter. Now this is not by any means a healthy meal. It's fried chicken, for fuck's sake. You're gonna want like, I don't know, like this much butter. Okay. Now you want to be careful because I've had this thing heating up for a while. It's on like 300 degrees. So we're actually going to turn that down to about low heat because otherwise it'll just burn it like almost immediately and you'll be sad. So you can always tell by how hot a skillet is by just tapping it with the butter. That's actually not that bad. Okay. Dope. I hope you guys can see this. Oh wait, you can't because there's a giant fucking thing in the way and a microphone. Oh, this is a great setup. I really like it. It's really working out for me. Yes. Get that butter stirred around there nice and fucking taut. This is kind of hard to cook with an electric skillet because electric skillets, they won't like stay on continuously. They'll heat up to like the desired temperature and they'll be like, I'm outie. And they'll just stop heating up. But if you do this on like a gas stove or like an electric stove, it's a lot easier. But yeah, just drop them in there. Don't worry about like shaking the breading off. That'll just kind of mix in there real nice. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Fuck me up. Then you just gotta kind of chill out and wait for your chicken to be done, man. Just think about life and shit, man. And every now and again, man, just take your tongs and just flip them over. Oh, Oh God. Oh beach. I want to have sex with this food. Calico, what do you think of Dad's cooking? That is great. I'm gonna let these cook for a while. I'll see you guys when it's done. I was crying in the parking lot. I was hoping that I would get shot by them city boys that like to drive cars that run on gas. Fucking queers. I was driving in my truck today when I saw. So I just finished up my chicken here, and oh my God, it's so good. Like, look at this. That's just a quality piece of meat right there. Ow, fuck. That's just a quality piece of meat right there. This is clearly not a healthy snack, but the thing I'm trying to portray here, you get the craving, you want some crazy chicken. Ugh, I gotta get some of that. I gotta get some of that greasy fucking chicken shoved up my ass so I can eat it. I mean, yeah, $5. It's not definitely not the nicest, most healthy goddamn snack, but it's a simple, mess-free, delicious homemade meal. And I honestly hope you give it a shot and try it. Let me know your results, because I'm all about that cooking life. You remember that time you... Also, did you know I have a really cool Discord server? It's like discussions about life, death, music, sex, drugs. There's cool people there. Discord server, link in description. You're all invited. Come have sex with all of us. Yeah, oh, yeah, yo, yo, yeah, yeah. When I heard the news today, I didn't know what to say as I drove past that old dirt road made of sticks and stones and shit. I was crying in the parking lot. I was hoping that I would get shot by them city boys that like to drive cars that run on gas. Fucking queers. I was driving in my truck today when I started to miss you cause you faded away. That crystal meth took you at a young age and it hurt me. You remember that time you and I went to the creek and we saw that girl about 5 and we showed her our peckers and then we didn't talk about it again because that was kind of fucked up. We were just kids, kinda. It was 2 years ago. You remember that? That little girl's down there and we were like, it wouldn't it be funny to show our dicks to her? We were like, probably shouldn't do that. And then we showed her and then we got really scared and ran away and there's that Amber Alert for that little girl about 2 hours later, and we kind of just laughed it off and said, wouldn't that be funny if that was the girl we showed our dicks to? And we were like, let's just not talk about this ever again. And I'm like, alright, it's fine with me. And then you got hooked on crystal meth and now you're gone and I'm sad.